feet. I'll be trying to all of you soaking out. Robinson Street, turn right.
Okay. All charged up?
Yep.
Why must you be such an agitator?
They're all ready for you to close. I'll watch when I'll try and
Did you get footage of that dishwasher?
What's that?
I had glass. Machines. That's
Does she have tours and things like that?
In fact, she's in New Hampshire right now, I think.
In a show.
At a show.
At a show?
Yeah, she's in TV.
She must do Brimfield every evening, right?
That's probably one.
No.
No.
Brimfield's in Massachusetts.
Love the toastolator he's got up there. I do have one of those. Right back there.
Oh, okay.
Very collectible.
Yeah,
Yeah, very collectible.
this is neat too. That's the posted on the name of that.
If she ever
I can't
does,
believe
ask her
this
if she does
horse has, you know,
Brimfield, because I go every time. Because there's
It's
one
not
coming up
even
in
18 gauge.
September.
This had a
She's
heavy
doing it in
club
September,
thing.
She
Massachusetts?
does. She does go out in September.
For about a week?
I used to know what these were
Yeah, 'cause
called.
she's been on a week this time.
Yeah, that's Brimfield.
Yeah,
That's,
that's
I wish I
why
knew
she
where
does.
she
Oh,
was.
is
What
it?
field?
Yeah, it is, and it's a double-sided one.
Well, Brimfield's so huge.
It had a great look.
So they,
I mean,
you have to know what field, and you know what I mean, and then you kind of say, hey, I want to make
Sure, your stuff turns out.
It's-
You're going to have a little bit of a problem coming. I think that is marvelous. You see something that old on television.
I love garbage day.
And we were so excited.
I can go through my house and just point to everything that came out of the junk.
Yeah, that's about it. And he knows those are the best items.
Televisions have finer resolution.
I did.
Possibly. I'm not sure,
they do.
but yeah, that could be
I
right.
was over there in '86, and it seemed like their images were a lot sharper and clearer, because that was before high def and all that.
Don't spoil the party.
Here's John.
Mind if I take a picture?
You go for it. That's what we want.
Is that what you want? I wonder what.
And if you can get the cake too.
Really? Really?
Yes, this is my managed.
Are we done, John?
You can swing shots. Stay still.
Get a look at this. You gotta see this.
Thank you all for coming. How many of you would like to come back to Jimmy's sometime? So I think it's only appropriate because we haven't had a chance to do this yet, and I don't think we will tonight. But let's everybody sing Happy Birthday to Hoover because we haven't officially done that. So, ready? Tanya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hoover. Happy birthday to you. And I'm going to let Tom and Heather cut the cake. We've got your Mike. How do you say your last name? Migliorino. All right, so everybody just say Happy Birthday, Mike. So, all right.
You don't look anywhere near 100.
Shock value, that's well preserved.
I want a glass to tickle my knife on.
Slightly, thank you.
Slightly. Only on the side, the front. Just a touch. I was going to cut this.
You better be out of that cake.
Say that in a hurry. Hi there.
All right, time for her to get your cake.
The very first one had a round glass.
I was very satisfied. It was very sad seeing everything that it was, but it was very. It was a nice sort of cute. Did you see Steve is over there? Have you kept up on the? Have you looked for any of the? There's a company, a redevelopment company in California bought it. They want to turn it into mixed use retail.
Kind of make it a mall.
And then manufacturing the building.
Yes. Oh, okay. I didn't want to use it. I thought he looked familiar. Okay.
But they're going to get the newer buildings.
Those are going to go last.
Well, there was a call from someone.
Don?
Frank yesterday.
He's Frank. He's
I
back
think
a member
associated
from
with the
Alabama.
transaction, and she was really pissed that this tour was going to take place. Yes, because they're a liability.
Thank you.